Given a data set with the largest value of 760 and the smallest value of 135, what would you estimate the standard deviation to be? Well, there's a couple ideas that we're going to bring together. The first is idea that if you need to estimate your standard deviation, you're going to look at the range divided by 6 or the range divided by 4. First of all, the range, in this case your largest value minus your smallest value, 760 minus 135 is 625. So we know that our range is 625. Now why do we do this range over 6 or range over 4? Well, if we're looking at range over 6, we might want to talk about Chebyshev's rule. Again, Chebyshev's is 1 minus 1 over k squared. And if we chose k to be 3 standard deviations, we would have 1 minus 1/9, or approximately 8/9 of the data would be captured within 3 standard deviations. So from my mean, this was my mean, I don't know what the distribution of my data looks like, but 1, 2, 3 standard deviations below and 3 standard deviations above would capture 8/9 of my data, which is why I have 6 standard deviations, or I would do my range over 6. So that would be 625 divided by 6, which is approximately 104.17. Likewise, if I was looking at range over 4, I might be thinking of empirical, where 2 standard deviations from the mean captures 95% of the data. And so, if I took my range over 4, 625 divided by 4, I'm looking at a standard deviation of 156.25. So now, suppose the standard deviation is reported to be 25. Is this number reasonable? No. It's nowhere near our 104 or 156, so not reasonable, because of our previous answers. So our estimates of 104 or 156. We would assume our range or our standard deviation would be in that area.